quick Tuesday morning shave, I thought I'd try a little experiment with the microwave. So, one face flannel, 30 seconds, damp face flannel, 30 seconds in the microwave. And that's really nice. I think I'd probably invest in some sort of microwave here for my bathroom. Because if the water isn't piping hot, and the cost of heating these days, I would say a quick 30 seconds in the microwave with a face flannel is quite effective. Today, just for an experiment, I'm going to use some of Matti's wonderful soap, Matti Lindstrom. This is now this one is the Black Acer Spirit. It's black pepper, basil, lime scent. And I need a refreshing smell today. It's been a gale. It's really been blowing like crazy. It's crazy out there now. I don't really want to start work yet, so I'm going to have a shave instead. So here's the Matti. Rather nice. It's got a lovely... I'm not really into scents and stuff. It's not my field. But this is really pleasant. It's really refreshing. It's not cloying. It's a sort of a fresh fields, nice herby smell. Anyway, just a quick shave before I start work. You can hear the wind probably outside. It's blowing about 50 miles an hour where I live on the south coast of England. I'm near to the Isle of Wight, and the Needles, which is the pointy end of the Isle of Wight, they had 115 mile an hour wind just last night. So it's your typical autumn storm, and I'm not a lover of cold. I'm not a lover of wind. As an inline skater, our greatest enemy is wind. Wet I can even cope with, but not wind. However, right, just for a treat, how about this? This is a Novador ex wonderful Gary, and this one has a very slightly concaved edge. All I do is every now and again I give it a light strop only on the best leather. This one I can't even show. Kanayama today anyway, instead of a loom strop. However, let's see how it works. Yeah. Oh. Only a good filly can cut like this. They are exceptional razors. I won't bore you by whacking on about how wonderful Philharmonicas are. You either know Philharmonicas or you don't. But that is good. You can hear it cutting through about 3 days of stubble effortlessly. Exceptionally nice lather. Nice refreshing smell. Almost like we're going back to spring. I wish we were. It's bloody autumn. I'm not a lover of autumn. I'm not going to do a wonderful complicated shave. I want to get back to my workshop. As you can hear, even on a very low level of lather, it's cutting faultlessly. So, what can I say? Thank you, Matti. You make really nice refreshing soaps, and that's what we need on a blustery day. Yeah, look at that. I'm not going for a BBS, but next time I use this razor, I might just give it a very slight refresh on the crocs. Give it a little light stropping. But you could shave with this one forever. Yeah, a couple of passes and you're done. That is against the grain, scything through the stubble. That is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, my intention is not to bore you guys. I just thought I'd mention, on a cold day, or at least an autumn day, if you've got a minute and your water's not very hot, stick a flannel in the microwave, but no more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds and it comes out as hot as hell. And as you can see, no complaints, it does a good job. Softens the bristles a little. I wouldn't say softens them marvellously, but then that's fine by me. Yeah, absolutely fine. That's going to do me, you know. Anyway, that's enough of my nonsense. So here we have an absolutely exquisite Philharmonica Novador. Red scales, very slight concave edge, which does it no harm at all, and makes the edge stay longer, definitely. You do not need to strop or sharpen for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. I've had a few shaves off this one, I intend to have a lot more. So, in brief, microwave, decent razor, and off we go to work. See you guys, bye.